Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt melts. First, gather your ingredients: plain yogurt, your favorite fruit puree, and a touch of sweetener like maple syrup or honey. The key to perfect melts is using a thick yogurt, such as Greek yogurt, to ensure they hold their shape well. Next, prepare your piping bag by fitting it with a small round tip, about 1/4 inch in diameter. This will help create uniform, bite-sized drops. Now let's mix everything together. In a medium bowl, combine your plain yogurt, the fruit puree, and your chosen sweetener. Stir these ingredients thoroughly until they are completely blended and the color is consistent throughout. Taste the mixture and adjust the sweetness if needed. Some fruits are naturally sweeter than others. This step allows you to customize the flavor profile perfectly for your little ones or yourself. With your mixture ready, carefully spoon it into the prepared piping bag. On a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, pipe small, uniform drops of the yogurt mixture. Try to keep them about 1/2 inch in diameter. Make sure to leave a little space between each drop so they don't freeze together. Once your tray is full, place it in the freezer for at least 2 hours, or until the yogurt melts are completely solid. Once your yogurt melts are perfectly frozen, gently peel them off the parchment paper. Transfer these delightful treats into an airtight container or a freezer-safe bag. They can be stored in the freezer for up to 2 months, ready for a quick snack whenever you need one. They are a fantastic, healthy option for toddlers and adults alike. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.